So here we can see we have geometry, we have statistics, we have trigonometry, we have calculus, we have algebra, arithmetic. So we are going to see one after the other what these all branches of mathematics entails. As we can see, calculus has probability, measure of central tendency, inferential statistics, graphs. We have geometry, which includes circles and mensurations. We have arithmetic, which has to do with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. We have calculus, which involves differential and inferential and integral calculus. We have trigonometry that deals with angles and the rest. So we are going to take one after the other and explain it. So for arithmetic, as we can see, they said it is the oldest and the most elementary among other branches of mathematics. It deals with numbers and basic operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division, where you can add numbers. Maybe, for example, you can say 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. So all these examples are what? Are examples of arithmetic. Then the second one we have here is the algebra. The algebra is a kind of arithmetic where we use common quantities along with numbers. These unknown quantities are represented by letters of English. For example, when we have 2x plus 3 is equals to 4, so you will be asked to find time of, maybe they said find the value of x in this equation. So this type of equation or this type of problem is called algebra aspect of mathematics. It deals with using unknown quantities along with numbers. Then we have another example, another branch of mathematics, which is the geometry. The geometry, they said, it is the most practical branch of mathematics that deals with shapes and size of figures and properties. So geometry has to do with explaining the circle geometry. We have other things that like perimeters, other things that has to do with shapes is called the geometry aspect of mathematics. Then we also have the statistics. The statistics deals with the probability and the probability aspect of the mathematics that are used to predict events that are likely to happen in an organized way. For example, in that statistics, we have the probability, as we said it, probability. We also have the measure of central tendency and the measure of variation, where you'll be asked to find the mean, median, and remote, standard deviation, and the rest. All this falls under the statistics aspect of the mathematics. We also have the trigonometry. Trig is the set, as you can see in the Greek words, that is, it is derived from two Greek words, that is, trigon means triangle and metron means measurement. So this trigonometry has to do with the measure of the study of relationships between angles. In trigonometry, you will be dealing with to find the value of an angle, maybe theta. You are going to be dealing with angle of elevation and depression. Identical trigonometry, while we will ask, for example, to show that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1, and the rest. All these aspects of mathematics falls under trigonometry. You also have bearing and distance. Maybe they will say a plane goes from north direction in the north, maybe from this is maybe south, east, west, and the north. They will ask you to find the value of this angle theta. All these ones falls under the trigonometry aspect of mathematics. Then the second to the last one is the calculus. The calculus is a branch of mathematics which deals with the study of continuous change. Calculus will do the